Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every day.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new to the channel, I am Meg and make sure subscribe and hit the post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, welcome to today's video. I wanted to show you guys my weekend skincare routine or you can say once a week skincare routine that I do once a week. So actually I do not have a regular skincare routine guys. I want to have it but I'm too lazy for it. Like सुबह को बहुत सारे face wash and cream and night routine. I'm so lazy so I can't do that. But I try to have a weekend skincare routine, like a regular weekend skincare routine that I do once every week. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys that. So let's get started. So guys, I just showered and I didn't want to share my hair care routine today, but still I'm going to show you what shampoo I am currently using guys. So I am currently using this shampoo called from SP. It is professional and I got it from a parlor. So it is a balanced scalp shampoo guys. They gave it to me because I was having a lot of hair fall guys, huge hair fall, so that's why they gave it. For this is a balanced scalp shampoo for delicate scalps for hair fall I think. And yeah, it's from SP. So I really like this shampoo and I refer this to you guys, but I got it from parlor, so maybe you can get it online. So yeah. They also wanted to give me the conditioner, but I told mama keep leave it. It's it's okay. I don't need the conditioner. Like it was a little bit expensive. So, but later mama bought this L'Oreal 6 Oil Nourish Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner, which is great. I used it today, and oh my god, I feel so good. So this is for dry hair, and I have dry hair, and it has micro oils. So yeah, and 2x nourishment, that is double nourishment I think. And yeah, it's from L'Oreal Paris. So it's really great guys. It is also highly recommended. You will get it in any shop, Big Bazaar or online. So okay, let's come to today's video. The main thing that I want to show you guys today is my weekend skincare routine. So basically, the first thing that I do is very simple. I do a face wash with this VLCC scrub skin whitening face wash with aloe vera and saffron. So I really like VLCC and it's for all skin types. So yeah, I use this one. So let's just use it. I will just do my face wash and come. Okay, so I just wash my face and with this one. So it feels so good. So the next thing is the face scrub. This is to exfoliate skin, which is great. It removes blackheads and rejuvenates the skin, and it is called Indian Burberry Face Scrub. I don't know what it means, but yeah, that is it. Also, it is for all skin type, and it's written Skin Defense. But the main thing is it removes blackheads, which like I have blackheads. I have a lot of blackheads, so yeah. Also, I hope this is cute. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use this one. This is the scrub. So I will just scrub and wash my face and come back. Okay guys, So I came back with by whatever I'm saying. So I scrubbed my face with the VLCC scrub, that is the Indian Burberry scrub. I love it, guys. So right now I'm like almost on VLCC, but I don't have like this particular brand that I can't live without. But right now I think I have three VLCC products with me: face wash, scrub, and sunscreen. All three are so good. Okay. The next thing that I do on my weekend skincare routine is this D10 peel off mask from Beard, and it is D10 detox and rejuvenate. So it is a great scrub, but this peel off mask can be sensitive to your skin, so please make sure that it suits you. If it doesn't suit you, it can harm your skin, so don't use it. So for the first time I used it, and it suited me, so that's why I continue it, and it is really nice. It is a peel off mask, and yeah. So just I'll tell you guys that please make sure that it suits you. Otherwise, and please be very careful when you are applying it. Don't like apply it near your ear or near your eye or your Okay guys, so I've applied my peel off mask. Now I have to keep it for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. But one thing that please be careful if you're applying these kind of masks. Don't apply it on your eyebrows. So when I first time used it, I applied it on my eyebrows and it was painful, but it didn't harm a lot. But yeah, make sure that you do not apply on your eyebrows or your like here on this hairs, because if you whenever taking it off, it can be painful, it can hurt. So yeah, please be careful about that. Now I will have to keep my mask for 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, let's wait. Hey guys, I'm back after this. So yeah, it's so funny. I seriously can't talk. Okay, so now let's just open it. Okay, my hair is stuck. Okay, so where should I start? Okay, guys, see, it's opening it. It is painful a little bit, but okay. Okay, so it's like a map on my skin. Okay, so it feels so good, guys. I feel so good. Like my skin is like smooth. Okay, so now that it's done, now I will just apply my moisturizer. Before that, I'm just going to. Okay. So yeah, guys. So the moisturizer that I use is Himalaya Baby Cream. Mom bought it, like I don't know why, but yeah, it's really nice, guys. It's super nice. It is Himalayan Baby Cream, and it is It preserves natural skin oils, moisturizes and soothes the skin, and free from parabens, mineral oil, and synthetic colors, which is really great. And it is clinically tested. Do I have any? Yeah, I have. Okay. It is clinically tested, gentle, safe, and researched. So this is the moisturizer I use, guys. So I've taken my moisturizer. It is so good. So okay, guys. So that is it. I do not do anything else, guys, for my skincare routine once in a week. So I do it. I try to do it every week, and I almost do it every week, guys, because this is the proper skincare routine that I have, because I do not have like a daily regular routine, like day routine, night routine, night skincare routine and all of that. So I do not have that. So that's why I try to maintain this one at least. And I will tell you guys one thing, that wash your face, which is really helpful, I think. Wash your face with cold water at least 3 to 4 times a day, like with normal cold water, and with face wash at least once. But I don't do that. So yeah. But I always wash my face. Okay. I always wash my face with cold water at least 3 to 4 times a day, like just splash, and which really helps my skin. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. I think my skin is feeling so fresh and nice. So that's it for my weekend skincare routine. If you like this video, guys, please make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and check out my previous videos, which are so much fun. And follow me on Instagram. It's at I underscore love you. The link is in the description. And yeah, please subscribe and comment on Badana. And I will meet you in my next video. So yeah, bye bye. Take care. Love you guys.